Good morning everybody and welcome to the channel. This morning I decided to cut myself a piece of fruit and I wanted to share that with you. Now this is a piece of fruit. Now mine look real banged up y'all because I need to eat it. But this is a piece of fruit that goes by several different names. I bought this from the Asian market. It can be called an Asian melon. It can be called a Korean melon. It can be called an early silver line melon. And I didn't realize that I actually had seed for this, and I do. I have some seed. Can you guys see that? I've got some seed for it. I plan on putting this in the spring garden, but I wanted to show you guys this melon right quick. I am going to cut myself some melon, and I just want to show you what it looks like if you've never seen what it looks like in the inside. Now the inside is white, and I'm gonna try not to cut through it, which is why I got my vegetable peeler. Now I know usually vegetable peelers you go this way. I like to do my vegetable peeler the opposite direction because it gives me more control of the actual skin, but you can do it however you want to do it. So just what I do is I just clean off the skin. So let me clean this off and I'll be right back. Excuse me. Now that I've peeled my melon, I'm just going to slice it. Now I'm not going to slice it all the way through because I don't want to cut my seeds. I do want to save these seeds. So I'm just going to take my knife and just score the outer side like so. And then I'm just going to open it up like that. Can you guys see that? And those are all of my lovely seeds. And I'm going to save these seeds for the spring. I decided to just use my hand by taking the membrane out where all the seeds are housed and just running my fingers along the membrane. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing, and I'm just trying to collect all these seeds on this paper towel. And then once I get them on the paper towel, I will take a colander or a sieve of some kind, and I will rinse off the rest of this juice. So let me show you what I'm doing. I just take my finger and just run it along and pull those seeds out like so. I'm trying not to use a spoon and take out the meat or the flesh of this melon. I want to eat that, and a lot of times when you use a spoon you tend to carve out some of the flesh, and I don't want to carve out my flesh. So I'm just doing it like this, taking my finger, running it along, and as you can see I've collected a lot of seeds here, so I will have some seeds to share with my subscribers, and I will be rinsing these off. So let me finish cleaning this out, doing the same process that you see me doing here, and I will be right back. I think I became aware of this melon back in 2012 when I was shopping in the Asian market, and I think I spent that entire summer eating primarily nothing but melon. I really enjoyed the taste of this melon, and so I'm excited to be able to save these seeds, even though I had seeds and totally forgot I had them. But I'm going to sow those seeds that came in the packet that I purchased, as well as a few of these, to see if I get germination. I would really love to have this in the garden. I grew this back in 2012. That was my first time eating it and my first time growing it, and I haven't grown it since then. So I want to put melon in the garden again in 2022. So now that I've gotten pretty much all of my seeds out of the membrane, I am going to take the membrane and put it in a compost bin, of course. Hopefully I don't have any more seeds in there because I don't want it growing in the compost bin. There we go. And then this is going to go in the compost bin when I make sure I don't have any more seeds in it. Now that I have these seeds taken off the paper towel and put on this little mesh, I can't remember what you call this thing, y'all, sieve, strainer, I'm just going to rinse off these seeds with some cool water to try to get all the juice from the fruit off. And it looks like there's still some fruit bits, as you can see, in there. So I'm just trying to rinse these off so that I can actually take them and then dry them on another paper towel that's actually not wet from all the liquid that I collected these on. All right. And I'm going to dry these on a separate paper towel. Hopefully not flicking the seeds into the sink. And then I'm going to let them dry for a couple of days. Now that I've rinsed them off, I'm just going to take them and place them on this paper towel so that they can dry. Here we go. I'm going to place them on the paper towel, smooth them out, and let them dry. And hopefully in about a week they will be dry and I will be able to put them in a seed saving bag and get them ready for spring. So I hope that you all are saving your seeds, not only from the things that you grow in your garden, but things that you also buy that you want to see if you can grow. I hope you enjoyed this content as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you did, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you do comment, just know that I do respond to everyone who sends me a comment. Until the next time, bye for now.